Today we are going to start new unit time. Can anyone say what is time? Time is the gap or difference between two occasions. That is the gap. Time is the gap or difference between two occasions. That is difference between past or present. Okay, it is the gap between past and present. We know that for each and everything we need time. We use time. We calculate time. We know that we schedule our class according to the time. Morning 9 o'clock to 9:30 one period, and 10 o'clock to 10:30 another period, 11 o'clock to 11:30, 12 o'clock to 12:30. The time scheduled, time sets for our class, periods, etc. We know that time is very important for our day-to-day life. Okay, what is time? Time is the gap between difference between two occasions, or it differentiate the past or present, yesterday and today, or morning and afternoon, night and day, last month and this month, or 2020 and 2021. That is the time differentiate these all things. Okay, so how do we know time, or how do you see time? Through clock. We use clock, watch, mobile phone, and different medias. We know that different objects help us to know time. Yes, no? Yes, we know how to see time. That also we know that in a clock. If we see the clock, we know that that clock is divided into 12 equal parts. A clock is divided into 12 equal parts. Each part is called hours. Each part is called hours. That is, in a clock is divided into 12 equal parts. So each part is called hours. H-O-U-R-S. Hours. Each part is called hours. And also we know that in a clock there are two hands. Short hands and one long hand. Short hand and long hand, and one more hand is there, second hand, that is a thin hand. Thin and a long hand. Short hand shows hours and minute hand shows minute. Short hand shows hours and long hand shows minutes. Okay, a clock is divided into 12 equal parts. Each part is called hours. When the hour hand, that hour hand is there, that hour hand, and this is minute hand. The hour hand moves from one place to another, or one number to another. It takes 1 hour. Okay. When the hour hands move from one number to next, 1 hour passes. 1 hour needed 1 hour hand to move from one place to another, one number to another number. Each of the 12 units. Then I have told you this 12, in a clock it is divided into 12 equal parts. We know that each of the 12 units again divided into small 5 units. Okay, each of the unit is divided into 5 units. That is minute. That is minute. Then when a small hand moves from one number to next number, it takes 5 minutes. Okay, suppose this minute hand is in 3. Okay, that minute hand is in 3. So this minute hand moves from this 3 to 4. It takes 5 minutes. That means from this line to this line it takes 1 minute. then 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Minute hand moves from one place to another place or one number to another number. It takes 5 minutes. Minute hand moves from one number to another number. It takes 5 minutes. Short hands or hour hands moves from one number to another number. It takes 1 hour. Okay. Then here this minute hands moves from here to here, and when it reaches 12 again, it takes 60 minutes. Just see, from here to here it's 5 minutes, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. Minute hands takes to complete one round rotation of the clocks. So it takes 60 minutes. Okay. To minute hands in minutes hand to complete the rotate the clock, it takes 60 minutes to complete rotation of the clocks. Okay, thus there are 60 minutes now. When the minute hands move from one number to next to number 5 minutes to complete one rotation, it takes 60 minutes. In our hand, it takes 12 hours to complete one rotation. Our hands. Our hand moves from this number to this number, it takes 1 hour. Then from here to here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise, it takes 12 hours to complete one rotation. Okay? Once again, I shall tell you what is time. Time is the gap or difference between two occasions, or it differentiates the past and present, morning and afternoon, afternoon and evening, today and yesterday, today and tomorrow, then this week and next week. That shows the difference between the two occasions. Okay, this birthday and next year's birthday, that is the differentiate between the two occasions. And a clock, in a clock is divided into 12 equal parts, and there are two hands, mainly two hands are there in a clock, short hand and long hand. Short hand represent hours and long hand represents minutes. Short hand takes moves one number to another number, it takes 1 hour, and to complete one rotation it takes 12 hours. Long hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to another, and to complete one rotation it takes 1 hour. Short hand takes 12 hours. Okay, short hand takes 12 hours to complete one rotation, and our hand takes 1 hour to complete one rotation. And that clock is each number 12. A clock is divided into 12 equal parts. Each part again it is divided into 5 parts. That means 5 minutes. To one number to another number, 5 minutes are there. Okay. Then here I have written 12 and 3. Shorthand is in 12 and minute hand is in 3. So here this number we can write 12 colon 15. 12, 15 or quarter past 3. Quarter past 3 or 15 minutes after 12. Here 15. How did you get this 15? To find the time, find the minutes, that we have to multiply it by 5. Suppose that long hand is in number 1, we have to multiply it by 5. 1 5 is 5. If it is in number 3, multiply it by 2. 5 2 is 10. 3 3 5 is 15. 4 4 5 is 20. If that shorthand is between 12 and 1 and minute hand is in 5. What is the time? 12:25. 12:25. Okay. 12 semicolon 25 or 25 minutes past 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Okay. Then this is the way we can write time. And exercise 11.1, page number 202. Exercise 11.1, page number 202. Tell the time shown in this analog clocks. Tell the time shown in this analog clock. Here, in first clock, shorthand is between 4 and 5 and longhand is approaching 6. Longhand is approaching his. That means the longhand is going to touch 6. So here 4:30 is going to, it is about 4:30. So here see the time that after 5, if it is in 5 we can write 4:25. But after 5 it is covered 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. So each line shows 1 minute. So 16, 17, 18. 4:28. What is the time? 4:28. How can you write 4:28? 4:28. When we write this minute, it always in 2 numbers. Suppose if it is only 5 minutes, we have to write 4:05. 0 we should place before the number, before 1 digit number. Okay. Here 4:28. How did you get that 28? 5 5s are 25. Again 3 lines are there. So each number considered as 1 minute. 26, 27 and 28. Okay. Then next clock, shorthand is at 12 and longhand is after 3, after 1 more line is there. So 3 5s are 15. 3 multiplied by 5. How did you get this 5? Each number is considered as 5 minutes. Okay. Between each number there is 5 minutes. So 3 5s are 15. Then 1 more number is there. 1 more line is there. So 16. How can we write? 12:16. 12:16 or 16 minutes past 12. 16 minutes past 12. Next one. Here, shorthand is at 10 o'clock. 10 and longhand is at 3. It is not in 3. Then how many lines covered? 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. That also we can write 10, 18. 10, 18. Okay. 10, 18. 3 lines covered. 3 5s are 15. Then 16, 17, 18. 10, 18. Or 10 minutes. 18 minutes past 10. 18 minutes past 10 or 10, 18. Next one. That shorthand is between 3 and 4 and longhand is at after 6. It is not in 6, 7, 8, 7. How many lines are there? Third line. Okay. So it is 16, 17, 18, 19, 30, 31, 32, 33. What is the time? 3:33. 3 o'clock. 3:33. 33 minutes past 3. 33 minutes past 3. We can write likewise 33 minutes past 3. Okay. The next one, to show the time, the mentioned below each analog box. 7:26. How can we write 7:26? That is 7:26. I shall show you here. 7:26. 26 means after 5 we have 1 done. Shorthand is at here. Okay, 7:26 between, not between, just it is going to 7:30. So we can write here 7:26. Okay, 7:26. It is between 7 and 8, and long hand is after 5, one line. Here 11:12. 11:12, how can we draw? 11:12. 12 means 5 2s are 10. 12 here will come. Okay. Long hand will be here. 11:12. 11:12. 11:12. Then 10:7. 10:7. 10:7 means short hand is at 10. Long hand is at 10:7. Here 10 o'clock means here comes. Then 5, 10:5, 10:7 means here. 10:7. Then 8:17. 8:17. How can we show 8:17? I will show you here. 8:17. Here 12, 6, 3 and 9. Here 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. 8:17. Here for 17, first 17 means here. If it is in 15, it comes here. Then two lines, 16 and 17. 8:17. 8. Where is 8? 8:17. Okay. 8:17. Then today we have learned what is time. Time is very important in our day-to-day life. We need time for our everyday life. Time is the gap between or difference between two occasions that differentiate between past and present. Then we use clock to know the time. A clock is divided into 12 equal parts. Each part is shows hours. 12 equal parts. Each part shows hours, and each number, between each number there is again 5 equal parts are there. That shows minutes. Okay. Then there are two types of hands are there in a clock: short hand and long hand. Short hand shows hours and long hand shows minute. And short hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to another number, and also it takes 12 hours to complete one rotation. 12 hours to complete one rotation. And long hand takes 1 minute to move, 5 minutes to move from one number to next number, and also it takes 60 minutes or 1 hour to complete one rotation. Okay. Then whenever we write time, it needs 4 digits. For hours, 2 digits, and that if we write in digits, okay, if we write in this way, 2 numbers should be there. If it is only 1 digit number, we have to place 1 0 before the number, and between we have to separate with the colon. And also we have learned how can we draw the or how can we show hands in a clock. Okay, rest of the things we can learn next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.